Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we are unboxing this month's Vettsy box. Yes, I still have my Halloween nails on. They kind of, you can see if you look close enough that they're needing to be filled soon. But yeah, so we are unboxing this month's Vettsy box. Yeah, this is their monthly mini box that I get, and yeah, let's just dive straight into it and see what we get and if it's worth this month's money. So as always we get one of these and it says that they put in a few free gifts, but I don't actually, it doesn't say like free gift on them, so I don't know which one's a free gift. So if you were to get this box, there might be something in mine that you won't get in yours. I don't know. Right, so we'll move that off to the side. So the first thing I see is what looks like to be a pot of glitter. So let's open it. So yeah, it looks like a bronze kind of liquid glitter. I don't know why I said liquid for then. I can never get these damn things off. Right, there we go. Yeah, so a bronze coloured liquid. Again, what is with me saying liquid? Try that again. So yes, bronze coloured glitter. Right, hopefully I don't make that mess up again. And it looks like we have another glitter in a dark red. Sorry, my dog messing with stuff that he shouldn't have. Gosh, this one does not want to open. Ah, there we go, got it. So there we go. Really nice colour. Red. Ooh, glitter everywhere. Then we see another pot of mixed charms. So yeah, these are Christmas themed. I can see a snowman, that looks like a hat, you know, snowflakes and stuff. Super pretty. We'll put that back in there, and just give me a second because my dog has knocked a load of stuff on the floor. Leave my bra alone. Okay, sorry about that guys, I am back. Oh, the next thing we see is another pot, and this looks like, yeah, it's a pot of tiny fine glitter in a pale pink. And even more, gosh, okay. Totally destroyed that, oh well. So we have a box of 6, so we've got some golden green glitter, some mixed coloured pearls, some red confetti with red hearts in, snowflakes, and then a little mix of Christmas confetti. Oh, what's this? Okay, I don't know what this is. It's a flat back, so it lays down relatively flat. It's bumpy, so if I turn it sideways you can see. I'm not sure what you'd use that for. Maybe to put, I don't know, your brushes on or something. Not got a clue. If you know what this is, yeah, please do let me know. Then we have a big pack of files. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files there. Then the next thing I see is a little silicone mould. Now this is actually perfect because I had a little silicone mould of snowflakes and I went to go get it, and do you think I can find it? I cannot find it on my life. So this is absolutely perfect. So I put on the black background so you can see a bit better. Snowflakes, so that is, I will be using that, so that is absolutely perfect. The box is worth it for me there. Oh, we have some more chain, and this time in a red colour. So super nice, you know, to decorate nails with. Should have left that in the packaging. Oh well. Okay, so the next thing I see now is here. Ooh, the little dish. This would have been good to show you the bits that I got in that little pot. But yeah, it's just a little dish, you know, you can use to like sprinkle things like these in for you to find the ones that you want. It's plastic, that doesn't bother me at all. I'm clumsy as hell, which means I'm less likely to break it. And yeah, nice little dish. Then I see some stickers. So we have these ones. I may do a giveaway because I very hardly ever use these stickers, and I've got loads from Vettsy, so I may do a giveaway. And here we have some snowflakes. You know, would you like that? Like, you don't have to do anything, do you know what I mean? And just have a little giveaway of stickers if you'd be interested in that. Let me know in the comments section below, please. And then the last things we have are our polishes, which I'm assuming one is cat eye, because they always give you a magnet if you have a cat eye. So we have these two colours, which is number 9 and number 44, which is like a green and a red. And then this, I'm assuming, is a gel, the cat eye gel. And this is called Brownie. Oh gosh. And it is a gold cat eye, super duper nice. So I am just going to go and swatch these, and I will be back. Okay, so I am back from swatching these colours. I just put something down in the background because my light was glaring at something terrible. So first we're on to this swatch here, which is called number 9, the Ivy. And this is what it looks like. Very, very nice. Now that's in a pot. Now I do have what's called the Ivy in a gel polish, so I wanted to see if it's the same colour. And yes, it is. So if you get the colour in the pot or in the bottle, it is the same. I just thought that was very, very curious. So there is the green, which is Ivy. Then we have number 25, which is called Prime Time, and it is not a red, it's a sort of brown, more of a brown than a red, but it is still a nice colour. And then we have the cat eye called Brownie, and here it is. So very, very nice. So that was everything I got in this month's Vettsy box. If you would like me to do a design using the stuff that I got, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop, because I will be hopefully starting next week to upload my Christmas nails. So yeah, have a wonderful time, and I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye.